Imagine being in constant motion, in a city almost as high as Mount Rainier, dancing at 13,000 feet, after a week of running a restaurant, a farm, a dairy, a small shoe factory that produced some of the dress boots for these dancers. In Bolivia and throughout Latin America, everywhere you look, people are working hard to make a living. It is not easy. Many people can still only afford one meal a day. They often have no access to clean water and no money for school. They'd like to better provide for their families by growing their small businesses, but they can't get loans from traditional banks because they have no collateral. Microfinance institutions, supported by global partnerships, are willing to do what the big banks won't, to take a risk on people living in poverty through a powerful alternative, the village bank.
6,072 bolivianos.
A village bank is not a building, it is people. A small group of people, most often women and always poor, who agree to back each other's microcredit loans. Call it social collateral. Every 2 weeks, Los Claveles Village Bank meets on the edge of a field in Achocaya, Bolivia. Treasurer Juana Fernandez and President Cristina Mamani tally each member's loan payments.
El secreto de nuestro banco es que debemos ser todos cumplidas y que por eso nos estamos manteniendo tantos años.
Como trabajamos todos los días, entonces nos sacamos un tiempito, digamos, cada quincenal, un jueves.
1, 2, 3.
Loan officers from our microfinance partner institutions organize and meet with thousands of village bankers. These loan officers, like Justiniano Osco, are also advisors, friends, and teachers.
Mis papás son netamente campesinos. Ellos trabajan con chacra, con su animalito que tiene. Eso bastante me anima a mí compartir con la misma gente. Como soy de allá, no tengo ningún problema de relacionarme con ellos. En el idioma sea, hacen costumbre, hacen nuestras tradiciones.
The village bank meeting is also a powerful training ground, a place to learn business and life skills, like the basics of health and nutrition. Like many of these women, Justiniano grew up poor too.
Les contaría mi infancia, es muy crítico, ¿ya? Yo no conocía el zapato, ahora ya conozco zapato.
Justiniano works with 41 village banks. He visits each one twice a month. That's 4 bank meetings a day over some of Bolivia's roughest roads. For 15 years as a village bank member, Paulina Quispe has gradually built her family's businesses through microcredit loans. 2 years ago, she expanded her small farm to include a greenhouse where she grows organic lettuce. But her very first loans helped finance her family's auto repair shop. Now, her daughter Rosa, oldest of 7, is a member of the same village bank as her mother. She is starting a sewing business with her first loan.
Yo no quisiera que mis hijos sean como yo, labradores, chacra. Yo primeramente quisiera que estudien, todos sean profesionales.
Rosa's goal is to sew on weekends, which will help fund her studies at the university on weekdays. A better future for their children. It's a hope you hear expressed at village bank meetings in every country where Global Partnerships is working. In Nicaragua, we are reaching some of the poorest people in one of the poorest countries in Latin America. On a steamy morning in León, The communal bank Sacuanjoche has a full agenda.
1, 2, 3.
From a lively training on values to live by, to a discussion of the importance of taking responsibility for personal health,
¿Cuántas señoras de este grupo ya se hicieron su papá Nicolau? Levántenme la mano.
to the tallying of loan payments, to the voting in of new members. These regular meetings build strong social ties. Women get a chance to be respected leaders, trusted partners, and inspiration to their families. As the treasurer of the Sacuanjoche Bank, Norma Isabel Aguirre is a valued leader. Through her own microfinance loans, she has built a thriving career making aprons.
Está como libre, uno es independiente.
Bueno, el mensaje que yo le mandaría a las mujeres que son de otro país, que no se den por vencidas, que sigan adelante, que luchen para que consigan sus sueños y saquen a sus hijos adelante.
Como dice ella, somos madres que necesitamos mucho. Y gracias nuevamente a usted. Y que no queden mal, siempre que estén bien para que sigamos adelante. Gracias.
Every day, Global Partnerships is helping hundreds of thousands of people move their families forward, out of poverty and into opportunity.